Buongiorno ragazzi, it's Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel, and today I would like to cook together with you an amazing Italian Sicilian orange and olive oil cake. It's gonna be very tender, very aromatic, very juicy, and it will have a lot of olive oil inside instead of butter. Makes it more healthy. Okay, so intrigued, let's start cooking. First, wash 5 oranges well. Make the zest from 3 of them on a fine grater. Then squeeze juice from oranges. We need 350 ml, and make sure that the seeds won't get in. Break 5 eggs, pour into the mixer bowl. Stir with a spatula attachment. Add sugar after a minute and continue to beat. Combine flour, baking powder and salt in a deep bowl. Stir. When the egg sugar mass thickens well and turns pale yellow after about 3 minutes, switch to slow speed and add flour and olive oil in parts, starting and ending with flour. As soon as the last portion of flour is mixed in, add orange zest and juice and stir until combined. Carefully pour the dough into a mold and put it in the oven for an hour at 170 degrees Celsius until it is baked in the middle. Cover with foil if the cake is becoming too brown. Then take it out of the oven and let it cool for 15 minutes in the mold, then you can take it out. Better to let it cool completely before cutting. The cake will turn out to be dense and moist, fragrant and tasty on the inside. But it is even better to my taste to make cupcakes from this dough. Pour into molds 4/5 of the volume and put it in the oven. 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes will be enough. After you take it out, let it cool for 5 minutes and you can treat yourself to it. You can even make a simple dessert with these muffins. Serve them with an orange supremes, fresh mint leaves, a spoonful of sour cream, yogurt or cream cheese. Try out this recipe and don't forget to give it a like. Bon appetit and see you in the future. Bye bye.